In a commercial building, what is the minimum number of receptacle outlets required in a bathroom? And believe it or not, the correct answer is 0. And for this one, we're going to head to our bathroom requirements. And this is one by omission, you could say. First, let me explain what I mean. The NEC requirements for residential bathrooms do not apply. That's in 210.52D, and that's where we find our requirements for having a receptacle outlet within 3 feet of each sink basin. But those do not apply to commercial settings because they are specifically listed for dwelling units only. And by that omission, it actually removes the requirement for there to be one in a commercial bathroom. Sometimes in the code, it truly is because it's missing. Now let's take a look at a couple times where you might be required to put one. The first and most obvious is that it's on the plans. If someone has taken the time to design it, just install it like they've designed it. And just a little tip, that is what your inspector is going to be using when they go out and take a look at it. They're going to look at the plans, they're going to look at the site, and they want those two to match. And the next one that ties right into this is the customer requested it, whether they requested it from the engineer, from the contractor, or from you directly. The customer wants that receptacle for whatever reason. But the old adage still stands. You have to make the site match the plans or the plans match the site. So let's imagine you had a set of plans and it didn't have that receptacle, but the customer wanted you to do it. Once you got it approved with the contractor, make sure that you were going to get paid. You have to make sure that you update that set of plans. Now, your inspector may take a field revision or you may have to go through the full revision process. But the moral of the story is that you have to make the site match the plans or the plans match the site when it comes to commercial and industrial work. I assure you, your inspector is indifferent on whether or not you put the receptacle. They do not care, and I mean that in the best sense. If you don't want to put the receptacle, and as long as it's code compliant, we don't care. If you do or don't want to put the receptacle, as long as it's code compliant, we don't care. But we do care that you make the site match the plans or the plans match the site. I am the electrical code coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. Let's get to it.